Isha, class 10th from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Yamunanagar. Today I am here to talk about the role play of science and technology in our day-to-day life. We know today we cannot accept our life without science and technology, revolving it around every second. Science and technology are extremely essential in our day-to-day life, as they have made things more simple, fast, secure. Science and technology are both closely related terms. Scientific studies and progress resulting to wonderful technologies. These are not only subjects, rather they are the means that provide us live a better life. Importance of science and technology. Almost everything that we see around us as the gift of science and technology, be it the smartphones, laptop, mobile, pen, cloth, paper, etc. Everything is the result of science and technology. It helps us save time and money. Technology has gifted us with microwave and steam cookers to help our cook food and bake. Various objects and devices like computers, mode of transport, washing machine or just anything else help us save our time and money. In the field of education, science and technology has played vital role in the field of education. Science has given us immense knowledge and therefore we have got best method to study. Technology has made education itself easier. It provides us e-libraries, smart classes and e-books, etc. Internet. Information technology, including internet, is an excellent gift of science and technology. We don't get immense knowledge on science and other subjects, but we also stay connected with our family and friends. We can study whatever we want. Tough topics like redox reaction and trigonometric situational problem can have become easier to understand with the help of videos and study material available over the internet. In agriculture, in the field of agriculture, science has made its mark by contributing so much. In these days, machines are available for sowing the seeds on fields, tractor, thresher, drip irrigation system, sprinkler irrigation system. All are given by science. All fertilizers are also given by science. In the field of transportation, all the vehicles are invented by science, which has made the world very small place. You can reach from Kashmir to Kanyakumari in just few hours. Cycle, scooter, aircraft, etc. all are invented by science. We transport goods easily and faster by the use of machine given by science. In the medical field is based entirely on the usage of science. All the drugs are also given by the medical chemistry. Tools used in the medical field are also given by science. Machines such as stretcher, MRI machine, ECG machine, X-ray machine, even injection are invented by science. We are also blessed with various health apps, online doctors and other apps that help us maintain good health and life. In communication, science has made the world very small. You can talk to anyone, anywhere in fraction of seconds. Telephones, mobile phones, etc. All these mediums of communication are available at very low cost. All are in reach of common man. Science has made it very easy and cheap to talk to someone using a mobile phone. In construction, science is the base of all building constructed by us. Construction of building is completed based on technology. Machine used in construction, work such as motor graders, backhoe loaders, etc. given by science. In photography, science and technology given us many machines for photography. Nowadays, it's very easy to click a picture. A camera has been inserted in a small phone, and a part of this, science and technology gives us many machines as aspect of our life. It gives answers. This science has vast use in all fields of human life. Its great importance to make our life easier. It gives answer to all curiosities of us related to life. It gives wings to our imagination by its facts and inventions. We should always hope, make an effort, and ensure that all the invention and discoveries in these fields are always used for human benefit. Henceforth, with the help of science and technology, let's make a better place for you, me, and the entire human race. Thank you.